Hey everyone, it's Tay with Spectacular Gadgets, and in this video I'm showing you the additional accessories I purchased with the OnePlus 7 Pro. Now I picked this bundle, it's called the OnePlus 7 Pro Premium Bundle, off of the OnePlus.com website. So let's go ahead and take a look at what the bundle includes. So starting off, you get the OnePlus Warp Charge adapter, you get the Warp Charge Type-C cable, you get the nylon bumper case, and then you have the Type-C bullet earphones. So this case right here is what comes in the box when you purchase the device. If you have not yet, go ahead and check out the unboxing video that I put out a day or two ago. And here's the Nebula Blue OnePlus 7 Pro. It is so beautiful, and that's why I do like rocking clear cases. But this bundle included the bumper case, which is black, and I just want to go ahead and try out what OnePlus has to offer when it comes to accessories. So let's go ahead and pull the case out. Packaging with OnePlus and presentation is always top-notch to me, in my opinion. Never settle. So let's take a look at the case, and as you hear, it's kind of scratchy and hard on the outside. But on the inside, it is a nice soft touch, so that will protect the back of the OnePlus 7 Pro. You have OnePlus branding. I will go ahead and place the device inside of the case and snap it in. And it is a bit slippery, a lot more slippery than I thought it would be. The bottom of the device has the perfect cutouts for everything. The side of the device where the volume keys are may be a problem because it's pretty much flush up against the device, so that might be hard to push. The cutout for the front facing camera and mic appear to be a-okay, and then you have the toggle and power button. Let's try the camera to make sure, and the cutouts are perfect as it should be. This is a OnePlus case. Let's move on to the earbuds or earphones. So nice packaging and presentation. It's simple, but it's nice and easy on the eyes. Not much to the box really. As you see, not much going on here. Let's go ahead and pull these earphones out. Nothing in the inside of the lid, and here is the presentation when you take the lid off. Never settle. It's just so nice and neat. I love that. So here are the earphones inside of this package, and then it says Best Buds for Life. So that's pretty clever, and we'll set that off to the side and see what else comes inside the box. So you actually have to slide this out, and doing so, I don't think there's nothing else in the box. So let's go ahead and see what we have in here, and this appears to be the additional ear tips. So they give you different sizes, and you get 2 more sets. You have 3 sets in total when you purchase the Type-C bullet earphones. So let's go ahead and take the earphones out of the packaging. So opening the lid, you have the Never Settle manual, and then we have the earphones. Pulling the earphones out, they appear to be very lightweight, so they should be comfortable for the ears. Left and right are labeled on the earbuds, and the ear tips are soft. There are no magnets to hold these together, unfortunately, so there are no magnets on these earphones. Pulling the plastic off, we already are aware that these are Type-C, so no headphone jack. So here's your Type-C, and then we can go ahead and take a look, and we see that it's OnePlus branded with the mic. Flipping that over, you have your up and down volume controls. Placing this inside of the OnePlus 7 Pro, we get a system prompt saying OnePlus offers some new features. So let's go ahead and check out what those features include. Earphone mode, so it looks like you have toggles. You can go ahead and autoplay once you plug that in. Smart answer for Bluetooth or speak caller ID. So these are some of the features included. Last up is the charging cable along with the charging adapter. These two must work together in order to achieve that warp fast charging that is promised. So again, you cannot use one without the other. You need to use them both in sync to achieve the fast charging warp speeds. So here's the charging cable. It's a little thicker than the one that they included. You have the OnePlus branding on there, and I do happen to like the thickness of the cable and the cord management. Here we have the charging brick, and this is the Warp Charge So again, last time, you need to use them together in order to get the fast charging speeds. So taking this out of the box, we see a little bit of red, and we get another manual just in case, so never settle. And then we just simply have the power adapter in there. So this is the same one that you get when you purchase the phone. I just needed to have a set of two, one for home and one for work or whatever need be. It's just nice to have two. So this is everything that you get inside the OnePlus 7 Pro Premium Bundle. You can pick this up for about $90 off the website. If you're not looking for a case, but you want the earphones and the warp charging, you can also buy that bundle. It's called OnePlus 7 Pro Lifestyle Bundle. So I want to thank everyone for watching. Until next time, everyone, I want you to have a spectacular day. Later.